How to download a video from Facebook ad library. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download a video from Facebook ad library. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Facebook ads library, and just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top, which says www.facebook.com, and over here it will open up the Meta's official website. And after that, on the search ad section, just simply make sure that you have made all the settings to the all section, which will make your search process for the ads that you're looking for much easier. And over here just simply search for the kind of ads that you would want to play around. So for example, I'm going to search for, you can search anything basically you want, and after that you will be able to see bunch of different videos that are there available in the Facebook ads library. So for example, you want to download this particular video right here. Just simply click on the three dot icon from the video itself, which you will see in the top menu, and from there just simply click on copy ad link. And as soon as the link has been copied, just simply open another browser, and over here just search for that particular link that you have copied, and it will open up that video in the new tab. And from there just simply start and play the video over here, and as soon as the video is playing, just simply right click on that and click on inspect section, and just open the video settings. And over here you will be able to see the developer tools. So in order to search for the mp3 or the video that you would want to download in the so just simply click on command F or control F in your search board, and after that just simply search for mp4 and search for it, and you will be able to see the mp4 files over here. You just simply have to right click on that file, and after that just simply copy the particular file and click on copy full XPath, and just simply open this particular link in the different browser again. And after that, from there you will be able to see the link through which you can download the Meta ad video that you are just searching over here. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to download Facebook ad library video, and I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.